into your computer browser, and here is my website. I want to take a long screenshot, so I'm just clicking on this three dot at the top right corner, and here hover over on these more tools, and here you will find developer tools option. So click on developer tools, or you can press Ctrl Shift I to get this developer tool here. Here we have to select this toggle device option. Once this toggle device selected, the website will look like a mobile phone version. Now click on this dimension or device drop down and select any device from here. And now to take a long screenshot of this website, click this three dot and click on capture full size screenshot. And it may take some seconds to generate and download this screenshot. We can see the screenshot already downloaded in PNG format. Now go to your file explorer, go to download folder, open the PNG image, and here we can see the long screenshot captured. You can click this view or zoom option, and the screenshot will zoom just like this. Thanks for watching.